How's it going, people? Scott. And something came in the mail. I think you guys can pretty much tell what it is by this. And if you can read, if you can read up top. So, Supreme Nike Air Force One, both purrs. I need two purrs. Uh, anyway, so the box, all black Nike box with the Supreme logo on the side. Back, right here. I'll just read for you guys because the loss and my camera sucks. Air Force One low, Supreme, white, and let's take these out of the box. Size 9, the money size, or got some nice paper here. You probably can't see it, but it has Nike and Supreme on the paper. Just take these out. We'll just take out one. Just take out one because that's all you need. I've already taken out a black one, and I'll have that up now. So as you can see, you have the white Air Force One Supreme, and you have the black one. Right now, these are going for like double, triple resale. I expect it to climb up once all the restocks stop and the pairs to dry up. The plan: sell this one, hold this one. Leather quality. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, wow. Okay. So the difference is a slight difference. And this is why the white one will go up a little bit more. The white one has, I may be wrong, slightly, just slightly, like 5%, 4%, 3%, 3% softer leather. The Scam Force ones, the Supreme Scam Force ones, the Supreme Robber shoes, the Supreme Air Kick doors. Yeah, that's it. The Supreme Air Kick doors. These things have some very rough and rugged leather on them. I'm talking about. Wait a minute. They're the Air Kick doors, so of course they're going to have some tough leather on them. Pretty much a regular Air Force One, but hype beast, Supreme on the side, Supreme on the inside, outsole, blase swaze. Now, personally, these aren't my size. This is a size 9. Both of them are size 9. If I was getting one for regular wearing, would definitely have to be the white. To me, the white is the cleaner of the two, and it also has the better material, slightly. Also came with some laces. I think the laces are in the box. This one comes with all black Supreme ones, and the white one comes with the white laces and also red and white Supreme. The plan, how plans work out with the sneaker game. When I can stop the restocks, when they stop the restock, but before then, I give me a size 12, hopefully, in both pair. But I really just did the white pair. I mean, the black's okay, but it is what it is. Anyway, these are gonna be a killer in the summertime. Like this is, if you got this for 96, this is a flex. This is like, especially with some Supreme socks, like the red socks all the way up with some shorts, and then the I'm not gonna tell you guys a fit. Maybe a Supreme shirt, but this is a subtle flex. This is slight. This is something slight. Overall thoughts: kick door ones, okay. Coke whites, slightly better. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to buy these right now, $350 plus shipping. Well, not like that on StockX. I'm not StockX, bitch. I'm not StockX, and these may rise, they might not rise. $350. Holding these, like I said, and I think that's pretty much it. So anyway, tell me your thoughts on these. Did you hit a pair? Did you not? Also, I used the bot. Well, not me personally. I did an add to cart service on these, and anytime something comes out, I'm gonna have to do add to cart service because Nike is some bull. Well, Supreme. Sorry about that. Nike, you'll get yours in a second. Supreme is some bullshit. I went to go buy the shoes. Card declined. And you already know that you watch other things, but card declined for 5 days. Like, what? Come on, bro. The bot got through, but a regular guy manual can't get through. That's some bullshit. By the way, speaking of bullshit, Nike, the Sakai's drop. Tell me why at 10 a.m. and not a second later, I click on them and it instantly says sold out. I'm beginning to think that it's location based. Like they block off certain people in location because there's no way. And The Rock means no way that I should see sold out at 10:10 at 10:00:00. There's no way. And it was a raffle. How do you sell out on a raffle on a inline in the on like you click on it, then you get in line? How do you see sold out on that already? That's atrocious. I mean, because you can't say it's the whole entire world game because you have Nike US, Nike England, Nike China, Nike Blase Swaze. So it's divided. And even if you say the US, you should be able to filter out, hey, it's coming from here. Okay, stop them, put them in line. Hey, it's coming from this place. All right, stop them, put them in line. Are you? It kind of to me seems like this is what you're doing. Nike, Chicago, New York, you guys get first come, first serve. Yeah, just go wild in the shit. Just go wild. And everybody else, yeah, fuck it. That's pretty much how it felt. I'm hoping better for the Dunks this weekend. But you know how it goes. Oh yeah. Sorry about that. The stitching, I don't know. All right, Air Force Ones. I don't have any Air Force Ones in my personal collection, but are the swooshes? Sorry, the swooshes stitched in like that? Are they? Or you also have Supreme right here. You can't see because of the thing, but Air Force One Supreme right there. But it's there. Just trust me. And that's pretty much it. It's the white one's the best. Like it's a clean, simple shoe. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. Also, they sent this, the poncho, stickers, box logo stickers, and Tupac Supreme sticker. And that's pretty much it. So, yeah, tell me your thoughts on these. Like them, love them, hate them. Yeah, just give me an opinion on them. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. And like I said, these are going for $350 ship. $350 ship, no matter where you are. Except for like if you live somewhere like England, where like the shipping will be like $50 or something like that. Like if you live somewhere where the shipping's gonna be like almost $100, like come on, bro. But if you live in the United States, come on, man. If you're in Idaho, you can go to StockX, whatever. But I'm right here. These are real. Got the receipts. Anyway, I'm out of here. Catch you guys later. Peace out.